Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Here we are going to solve this question which says gift clean air to your friend. Now, for this question, we need to understand like what is clean air. Actually, what it means by clean air. So, as we know that most of the air pollution happens indoor, and where there are indoor pollution is one of the major factors of environmental risk. Okay, and so here we have to consider gifting clean air in a different sense, like how we can gift a clean air uh, uh, to a person as a gift. So one such example is suppose home plants, so which helps in purifying the indoor air and creates chemicals which is uh, useful and healthy for a person. So that is how we have to perceive the question and start like sketch it out which can be a gift for the person. So let's start with, so suppose if we create a small pot here in which there can be certain muds, and here certain plants which is good for indoor purposes can be drawn here, and then you can add the leaves which slowly states like where we can understand like how what is the texture and what is the like how the plant is actually where his stems and branches structures is grows. So this is just a very small home plant that is start that has started growing, and this can be given as a gift. Okay, now since this will go as a gift, so we can create a gift wrap which would help us identify that this has been given as a gift to a person. So you can add this kind of ribbons here which will add appeal to the presentation, and then you can write something. So we will do the writing part later. Let's first give certain little bit of color to the plant itself. And add some shades to bring out the plant's inner structure. Then certain amount of directional lines can be given to strengthen the lines. So in this way, you see, you can draw the house plant which has just started growing, and then you can add certain highlights here and there to aggravate, give a proper like light and shade to the plant itself. After this, then we can add color to the soil. And we can keep the top to be a white, slight of whitish feel, so that the plant remains in focus. A slight amount of dark and light and shade will also bring out the pot. All right, then you can add the soil here and some amount of darkness to bring the necessities, that rough texture of the soil. To show this, that the plant is embedded inside it. All right, after that we can go to the go for this ribbon and color it, because it is being given as a gift, which a gift that signifies clean air. Then you can strengthen the lines so that its structure comes out. All right, and finally you can use the user tagline here and write in a decorative way. Suppose so, this will more or less complete the drawing, which is the solution for gifting clean air to your friend. So I hope this lesson helps you in understanding how to solve this kind of question, to understand what the question actually wants from you, wants to see your knowledge and how good you are aware of the things that is happening. And this is how you have to give the solutions when a certain question comes like this. So this can be a little confusing, but you have to understand what signifies the clean air and how this what kind of product or what kind of natural elements or naturally occurring elements that can be gifted, which signifies clean air. So I hope this lesson helps you a lot in understanding the kind of question that comes into NIFT. Thank you.